this video, we're going to explore the area of purchase orders. A lot of people like utilizing purchase orders because that way they can track to see what they've ordered and what they need to order if it's specifically for specific jobs. We're going to go into vendors. We're going to create purchase orders. And then from what we're going to do here, we're going to choose Custom Kitchens of Bayshore. Now, again, on your right hand side, you're going to see all of your information. If you choose not to, simply click on the arrow key. Or if you do like to see your history as well as your contact information, you can do that as well. When you open up your purchase order, understand it doesn't matter with your purchase orders what you have here because it will not affect your financials. So the first thing you want to do with your purchase orders is you're going to choose vendor. If you have a class that you want to use, you can do that, which we'll explain in another video. Drop ship to. If you need to send it to a specific customer, this is where you would do your drop ship to. You would say, okay, I'm going to do it for this remodel job for Robert. And then it's going to give you the template that's available to you. You have your date, you have your purchase order number, which is assigned to you by QuickBooks. This is your vendor information. Here's your ship to address. So therefore, everything is available to you that's already been preset in your customer information. From there, you're going to simply go ahead and complete your purchase order and put in all the information that you need. For more videos such as this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.